Hi guys, I'm Jamie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if it's not your first time. I'm starting off this week on, what day is this? I don't know. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. We are planning on heading to Aquatica today, which is a water park in Orlando. We love Aquatica because there is an attraction there called Rose Rapids, and it's like a lazy river but faster. So we just go around and around. That's like the only thing we plan on doing today because we love it so much and we are not big water slide people. So anyway, we're going to get some exercise and go through the rapids. I'm wearing no makeup because we just plan on being in the water anyway and it would just all wash off. But yeah, I think the next couple of days we plan on doing a few parks, and then hopefully we'll do some more responsible adult things next week. But until that happens, let's go to Aquatica. All right, we are getting ready to hit up Rose Rapids. Not sure if you can hear me because my phone's in the package. Hey guys, it is Saturday. We are headed to Animal Kingdom today. We had such a fun time at the water park yesterday, but we are going to Animal Kingdom because there's a section of Animal Kingdom that's not going to be open a whole lot longer, and that's Dino Land. So we want to go check it out, spend some time there. We haven't spent much time there, so I'm gonna go see what it's all about and maybe do a ride. We'll see. I'm not great at trying new rides because I'm not sure if they're gonna make me sick. Anyway, here's my view this morning. Cheerios for breakfast. I've got an Elin Hildebrand book from my library, Swan Song, and the pool. Outfit of the day is this top by Amazon Essentials, which is looking like it needs to be tucked in a little further. These shorts by Gap, like the airiest, most comfortable shorts ever. And then just sandals because we're walking around Disney all day. I have my hair up. I am having fun with this hairdo. It's just keeping me very cool, and my hair's getting long enough to do something like that. And then for jewelry, I'm wearing rose gold because I like rose gold with this color combination. So off we go. We're in Pandora, checking on wait times for rides.
Let me tell you, friends, that is a sight that just never gets old. There they go. It looks like most of the birds are headed out of here besides Wind, Sheldon, and Nimbus. Thank you all so much for joining us here at Winged Encounters. We are so excited that you stopped on by here today. Thank you so much.
Looking busier than it normally is. I think because it's closing soon. They're turning it into like an Encanto land or like South America. We're doing Triceratops spin. Triceratops spin. Here we go up there. Whoa, I can't pretend. There we go. Why is it going down? Abdom stork. It's like a Luna face. Like, look at him. Oh, you're so cute. It'll come through. I don't know if it will. Oh my gosh. You are huge. Wow. Wow. I can't believe how big they are. Got Scarecrow watering the pond. This is the bird enclosure. Oh, that one's pretty. These birds are so cool. These guys have like iridescent feathers. Oh, I love this area. Oh.
I love him, he's so pretty.
That one.
Wanna sit? I'm gonna check your leg in a minute.
Interesting. Look at that guy. What is that? Blue-tongued skink. It's bigger than I thought they were. Oh. Desert rosy boa. This is like a petting zoo elevated. I don't know what these are. This is like what Luna does when she doesn't want to be looked at. Donkeys are my favorite. Burros. We're heading out of the park. We've only been here for 3 hours, but that's the beauty of being annual pass holders. We don't have to stay when we're tired and cranky and just want to go home and swim in our pool. So that's what we're gonna go do. Hang out by the pool with the animals and relax. But that was really fun to just do a couple of things in the park. Hey guys, it is a Sunday. We are heading to Magic Kingdom today. So I'm gonna take you along for at least a little bit of it because I got a virtual queue for Tiana's Bayou Adventure and I've never been on that. I had never been on Splash Mountain. So this will be a totally new experience for me. I'm fine with flume rides. They don't make me nauseous or anything. I'm just a nervous Nelly. So anything that's different and, you know, maybe a little bit out of my comfort zone kind of scares me a little bit. So I just hadn't done Splash Mountain for that reason, and I'm excited to try Tiana's. So I will take you along for part of it, not on the full ride because it's wet and I don't want to have my phone out. But anyway, I am wearing this Halloween dress that I got from Shein and showed you guys in a previous video. And then I wish I had a Halloween bag by Loungefly. I use these Loungefly bags all the time in the parks. That's all I use. I have about 8 or 9 of them, I think. And I can't wait to get my Christmas ones out, but I don't have any Halloween ones. I should probably change that. Maybe I'll see if I can get one on sale when the season's over. But today I am bringing my Tiki Birds Loungefly because honestly it has orange in it. That's basically the only reason. I couldn't find another bag that had orange in it. So anyway, we are going to get ready to go. We are leaving here in about half an hour. I have a lunch packed. We've been bringing lunches to the park just to kind of, one, not spend quite so much money at the parks, but also to try to eat a little bit healthier. So I made pita with peanut butter and cashew butter for me. I'll show you when I go downstairs actually. But let's head to Magic Kingdom today. Okay, gotta fill up the water bottle, and then lunch is goldfish, granola, almonds, apple, and oranges. Mickey wreaths everywhere. Halloween.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Musical tambourine, knee slapping, toe tapping jubilee. Playing light.
I won't give up, no, I won't give in.
And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
Princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
Tiana's was so much fun. I want to do it again right now. Then we went to see the Country Bears Jamboree. That was interesting as always. And now, because the riverboat is going to be closing soon and we've never been on it, we want to give that a try. Okay, here we go. Big Thunder Mountain. Oops, the castle. Tom Sawyer Island. seeing these parts of this I've never seen before. I had no idea this was here. This is so cool. Coming into Liberty Square. We did the riverboat. That was super fun. We're gonna go on Tom Sawyer Island and have some lunch and walk around. Be here in a couple of years. So we're checking it out. We've been here before, but it's a nice peaceful place to come and walk around. Oh, I don't think Tom finished painting the fence here, whitewashing it. I think we're gonna go eat lunch at one of these tables over here on Tom Sawyer Island because they're quiet and in the shade. There's the riverboat. Lunch is done. We're gonna go see if we can get on Paris of the Caribbean. That's one of our favorite rides here. So, and the wait is only like 15 minutes right now. Good time. Time to head to Tomorrowland to go on my favorite ride here, which is the People Mover. Escalator.
Alright, friends, let's check you in that car.
Please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of doors. Open and close all doors. Enjoy your journey.
Set a caution now?
Whatever. Thanks today. Yeah, I'll allow it.
Dentro del vehículo. Y cuida a sus niños. Gracias.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway of my favorite spots. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny People Mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time, now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow, today. See you in the future.
Alright guys, that is it for the last couple of days here in Florida. I am going to now get down to the business of really doing some heavy applying, hopefully interviewing, and we'll see how that all goes. I will definitely check in and let you guys know, but for now, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.